In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize two users who are calling in about the same account, or one person calling in about one account on different numbers. The three things you would need to identify are, with the person on the phone, are the main account, the primary and secondary account, and the persona. Before creating an organization, you will need to determine which account the caller will use as their main account. So say this mom, Starbucks, is calling in, and she is calling in about the same account but has a totally different, and is calling in about the same account, which is her daughter's account. So you would ask her, which account do you want to be the main account? Well, since it's her daughter's account, the mom will probably say, I'll just use my daughter's account. And sometimes they say, since I'm paying for everything, I'll use my account. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and go with the daughter's account as the main account. So what you're going to do is open up her page, her account page. You're going to hit the one that says Daughter Starbucks. You're going to hit that. And here you're going to see her service account with all her information and whatnot. So you're going to go up here and load her Zendesk, which is right here at the top. It's going to be this one that says Load Zen. You're going to click on that. Okay, it's loading. So here on the main account, you're going to go ahead and click on the user tab, displaying the customer's name. And then this is the user tab. This is the user tab you're going to hit. There's supposed to be one on this side, but for now there's only two. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Daughter Starbucks, and it's going to show up like this. And then what you're going to do is scroll down to the left-hand side, and you're going to scroll down till you see her dorm room ID number, which is this. It could be either a 4-digit or 5-digit. In this case, it's a 5-digit number. What you're going to go ahead and do is copy that. Copy it. And then click the organization button at the top left of the screen. So this is the organization button that says create in parentheses. Email address, or it may say organization create. You're going to go ahead and hit that. And now it's going to say new organization, and you're going to see the name, which is Starbucks Fam, and the email address, which is starbucksfam.com. You're going to go ahead and erase both in the field. Erase the email as well. Name and the user ID that you just copied, you're going to go ahead and paste it in the name field. And then you're going to click on save. So that has created, that's the first step in creating an organization. So now you're going to go ahead and go back to the service account where you see mom's information, which is Mom Starbucks. You're going to go ahead and click on that one. And this is adding the organization to a secondary user. So you're going to go ahead and go back to the secondary, which is the mom's account, and click, and from here you're going to see her account as well, her information, which most of the time it's not registered. Sorry, that's the word I was looking for. So what you're going to go ahead and do is go back to Starbucks Daughter, which that's the one you organized. You're gonna go ahead and back to the main account, which is her daughter's account. Oh yeah, and also here you're gonna go ahead and not decide, but put which account is the main account. So this one is the main account. So you're gonna go ahead and hit main account. And the persona is student. And then her user contact priority is she's gonna be the primary contact. So you're gonna go ahead and hit that. And now her information, the persona account, and the primary contact are all set up on her account, the daughter's account. So now you're gonna go back to her mom's account, which is that. You're gonna load her Zendesk as well. From there, it's gonna load up, takes a little bit. So that the dorm room ID number that you copied from the main account, you're gonna go ahead and okay, hold on, I'm sorry. Whoops, so her mom's account's gonna be here. Right here. See where it says loading, that's where mom's account's gonna be. So now you see Mom Starbucks, and this is the secondary account. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is click on the secondary user tab, which is gonna say Mom Starbucks, which we're already there, but you're gonna click on the middle tab, which is right here. There's supposed to be one right here. But this is the middle tab right here. You're gonna click on that, and you're gonna go ahead and click the add. You're not gonna scroll all the way down to the left, just gonna go right here to the primary email, the phone number, and all that stuff to the left-hand side. You're gonna click on add organization, and the number that you copied in the daughter's main account, you're gonna go ahead and paste right there. And it's gonna show up at the bottom, so you're gonna click on that, and that's how it's gonna save the number. So now you have organized the secondary account to the main account, and you're gonna go ahead and identify it. So you're gonna click on the user account type, and it's gonna be the coordinator account. You're gonna hit the persona, and the persona is gonna be mom. And then the user second contact priority is gonna be the secondary contact. Or if it's like a friend calling in about for the user, you're gonna hit other, but the secondary contact is the main account or the secondary account that we just organized. So now to make sure that the organization did go in correctly, what you're gonna go ahead and do is go back to the daughter's account, or you can do this from the secondary account as well. But you're gonna go ahead and hit the organization number, which is gonna be on the far left-hand side. And you are going to see tickets, which there's no tickets underneath, or there's no tickets in their names, but you will see that later on down the road. And now you're going to see users, which is going to have a number 2 in the parentheses. And you can click on that and see Mom Starbucks, which is a secondary account, and Daughter Starbucks, which is the main account. So now you have organized 2 users who are calling in on the same account. Thank you for watching.